Have you ever wondered how to make that super fluffy and light whipped cream frosting on sponge cakes? Well, this recipe will show you how to make it. This is whipped cream with added gelatin to make it pipeable, spreadable, and keeps it stable without melting. The first step is to bloom the gelatin. Blooming the gelatin will actually help dissolve it better for a smoother consistency, so you won't have lumpy whipped cream at the end. Here I'm weighing out the gelatin and adding room temperature water, about 5 times as much by weight, giving it a little stir and then letting it sit for a few minutes. After about 10-15 minutes, the gelatin would become nice and firm after absorbing the water, and then I microwave the gelatin in 10-second bursts until the gelatin has dissolved and looks nice and clear like that. Now the gelatin can't be added while it's warm, so I like to add some cold chilled heavy cream to bring the temperature of the gelatin down while it still stays a liquid. We got our gelatin ready to go, so let's make the whipped cream. Pour chilled heavy cream into a mixing bowl that is also chilled ideally. Add the vanilla, salt, sugar, and then turn on your mixer to whisk the cream. Gradually increase the speed to medium-high and add the gelatin in a steady stream. Once the gelatin has been added, increase the whisking speed to high for about a minute. This high speed actually allows the gelatin to mix in very quickly before it sets and becomes lumpy in the cream. Now reduce the speed to medium or medium-high and whisk the heavy cream until you reach mid-peak. I'm actually checking the consistency of the cream from time to time like you see right here. If you want to know more about whipped cream stages and what it looks like, I've explained it in the video that I've linked here, or you can find the link in the description. Once the whipped cream reaches mid-peaks, it can go to stiff peaks and then over-whip and become grainy very quickly. To avoid this, decrease the speed of your mixer to the lowest speed, or you can whisk the whipped cream manually like I'm doing here. I whisk my whipped cream until it reaches about stiffish peak stage. This is between mid peaks and stiff peaks, so the whipped cream is still soft, creamy, and smooth, and the gelatin provides the stability as it sets, and it lets me pipe and spread the whipped cream on desserts and even cake while still looking smooth with the airy, light, melt in your mouth texture. It's the perfect frosting when you want something light and not too sweet. So that's how you make stabilized whipped cream with gelatin. This is another video of my ABCs of Baking series, where I go back to basics and teach you how and why recipes work and how to make them better. My next series is about making pies, so make sure you subscribe to my channel so you get first dibs. Make sure you keep having fun in the kitchen, and I'll see you next time.